one more chance to tell you that I love you, Jeff, Devlin, you're back in my heart.
And this is my Fix It Up Life. We are at Home Advisor inside Design Construction Week 2016. I'm here with my wife. Her
That's
name's
me.
Teresa.
How can you say Home Advisor without singing the song, though?
Home Advisor.
I know.
Is that the song?
Yeah, it's like the commercial.
Oh, the commercial jingle.
Home on the Advisor, where the contractors and the framers roam, where construction goes long. This is a terrible song, but it's home.
I'm not even going to chime in. I don't want to be a part of it.
Cloudy right now.
That was good.
Okay, it's my
Kayleen
Fix It
McCabe.
Up Lifetime.
How are you, kid?
Kayleen McCabe is
fantastic.
sitting next to me
Yes.
What's going on with the chair height?
because we're playing with our chairs.
Jeff started
Devlin,
it.
I started
stop
it.
playing with your chair.
The
I
Mr.
promise
Jeff
I won't.
Devlin.
Jeff Devlin, DIY Network. Hates
is
his
really
bath,
fun.
Stonehouse.
Stonehouse Revival.
Sorry, Revival. Sorry, Crosby, Stills, and Nash.
Do you use that like stone head emoji when you tweet things out about it? Do you know that one?
And I'm not familiar.
Oh
I
my
did not see their booth
gosh.
here. Are they here? The Stonehenge
Emojis, Jeff, are
No?
those little smiley faces.
Like,
on your phone.
emoji
okay.
like a
Got it.
telephone thing.
Sure.
I-
I don't
like,
want to tell you what
really?
to do or anything, but
It's a-
I'm going to
one of
hand
those
you a
gifts.
paper calendar that says what century it is.
Yeah. I'm just mesmerized seeing Jason Cameron in a suit jacket.
That's
I feel like I'm
fancy.
totally
Where?
underdressed.
His shoes are
Oh
so
my gosh.
polished,
Look at how
too,
dapper
though.
he is.
Wow.
Like every time he smiles, there's like a little glint, like a ding.
We should
Every
Sorry.
time he smiles, a
That's so-
sledgehammer gets its wings.
Hi,
Yes.
Jason. We're all over here. We're in our. We have like a.
Yes, yeah.
I
We're
feel
in
like we
the
should do a
ho-
band.
I want to
Home
borrow his
Advisor
jacket later.
Boy band thing or
At,
something.
We should start a band.
We
I
should.
mean, there's 10,
Yeah.
but we could be backup dancers.
I can totally dance.
I
Oh,
rap.
but
Like gift wrap.
Yeah, it's gift wrapping.
you
Sorry,
should
gift
see
wrap.
I
his
could rap
gift
the
wrap.
CDs. I could rap the iTunes.
You know, these conversations are always so non sequitur and ridiculous. I love seeing you guys at these shows. What do you want to talk about?
Well, the first thing I want to talk about is your lunchbox.
Thank you. My new purse.
Yes.
Oh, look at that leather strap.
See,
Real deal. Old belt. But
That looks like it's right out of Fury Road.
I have some secret compartments.
I absolutely.
She has a
absolutely love
thermal
that.
imaging camera inside of her lunchbox.
Like a lady, and a tape measure, and some gum, and a.
And you sewed it all.
I wanna
Hot
share
glue.
my lunchbox
Oh my
with
gosh,
you.
glue.
Mark, I feel left out. Like I didn't bring my purse.
Well, because I'm like girlier, I think, a lot.
It's.
But I do have a little tape measure, but I have an elephant with mine. Is
Jeff, is that the tape measure you use in
That's
your
exactly.
shop?
That's about the right size of my hand.
It's not
Yeah.
6 foot.
dollhouse
And
Stonehouse
then I have a
Revival.
tiny little key.
It's full house size.
So Jeff, where's your lunchbox?
Left it back at the hotel. No, actually, it's funny because I have a backpack that I take everywhere with me normally.
do?
I do, and it's normally filled with like everything. So I am feeling a little awkward not having like my computer and all my stuff. Plus, I think it looks cooler when you wear a backpack.
No,
But I just didn't
backpacks
want to be
on
the
grown
one
men
guy.
look awesome.
But my backpack is huge. Like I feel like a Sherpa when I'm going.
So
And
It
I've
actually
collected so much
shrinks in
material.
height.
By the end, I normally have like all the free magazines, all of the stuffed animals, all the Cupid dolls, all the pencils, the cozies. I walk away this a winner.
Do you swipe your card at all the booths that you're
I am
interested
getting,
in?
yeah, I
Look at
totally
the
get
card.
zapped. I'm
Yeah.
like, scan me.
Yeah,
I look at
yeah.
them like, please, now,
Yeah.
do it.
Send me something.
What
Yeah,
have
they're
you
like-
seen that blew your mind?
Actually, there's a couple of things that blew my mind. One was the new Bosch measuring tool. It's like it goes right to your phone. So you draw a line. Dave could tell me about this because it was quick the other day. So basically, it connects to an app on your phone, and you can measure, and it saves your measurements.
So, like, if you're laying out a kitchen,
Exactly, and it actually will change if you
That's
like
cool.
draw you draw a box
Yeah.
and you just say, "Here's where I'm starting." You hit the button. That measurement now in a CAD will change the length of the wall that you drew to the exact measurements. It's just revolutionizing, because
Yeah.
everybody's trying to plan nowadays,
Yeah.
and the digital world is here. It's not going anywhere. Everybody's
Yeah.
got a phone and all that
Right.
sort of stuff. We're trying to be productive, and CADs are the way to go because now when I can actually have a plan that's a 3D plan, somebody can see it and say, that's what I want. Now as a contractor, as a homeowner, it's an easier process. I see it,
Yeah.
I like it.
so when I've got a similar app on my phone, I take a pile of wood,
Tinder?
and then it works for me, okay? Yes, 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 no.
It's funny with the wood.
Oh, yeah.
I just put my phone down on a stack of shingles, and then it roofs the house for me. Yeah.
Good, because
I mean-
robots should run the world. But technology is integrated into everything now. Did you see Masonite has a program where you can actually scan in your blueprints, and it will lay out your doors and make sure that you have all the correct doors ordered and plan it all for you. So the level of integration with technology is off the charts.
It takes out human error. That's the cool part of it, because we all make mistakes, and the computer's there to kind of back us up. It's like having a second or third guy on a job, and it's quicker for me. It's quicker for Kayleen to get stuff done. And when we're more efficient, we make more money, and our clients are happier.
Okay, so I have this. I just had a daydream while you were talking.
Because we weren't listening.
I'm
Yes.
totally listening. I'm
So
multitasking.
take your ADD medicine.
And no, the thing is that
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
what? Oh, shiny. What's
Sorry.
who? Okay. No, I'm thinking. Like technology. Like where is it going to end? Is there going to be a time when, like, the Jetsons? The hologram pops up and says, "Yeah, Jeff, I don't think that's a good idea.
We're gonna
Maybe
start-
you should, like, you know what I mean? Like,
It's going to happen. No, we're almost already there.
and then in
We're
your
gonna
in your
3D
real
print a
life
house.
too, like in your personal life, you're like,
Yeah.
yeah, you probably shouldn't have that other shot of tequila. You're not gonna really
Don't do it.
hologram.
Your mouth will just close. Like your phone has an app, your mouth will just close. They'll have an
Kayleen,
app which gets me to
it's
stop talking.
Dave. Would you please not have that third shot of tequila?
But I'm
Why,
like,
thank you.
boom, go away. Yes.
I
You
will
can't
not
have
go
that
away.
whole birthday cake all by yourself.
Why not?
Yes.
A teleporter, though.
Do you have the voice that comes with your phone on your phone, or did you change it to like Sir Walter Raleigh, like my wife did?
Oh, I changed it
yeah,
to
so
Mary.
take a left.
Man Siri?
Oh, I have man, but he's the British man.
Yeah. Oh, he is the British, because there was the
Yes.
British and Australian.
I
and
tried
I was
the
like,
Australian.
I want him to actually tell me what I should be thinking about the whole time. And so it's a bit better to get directions from somebody with an accent.
But
Jeff,
when you
who's on your phone? Do you have Snoop Dogg?
Whatever is programmed on the phone.
Yeah.
I didn't get that far.
Yeah.
But it's gotten me into trouble because when I have to talk to him in a British accent. You know what I mean?
Well, I'm very impressionable. So if I hear somebody talking like a certain way, I'll go through it the whole entire day. And whatever the day is, or I always end with a good Russian accent. No matter what it is, it always morphs into some sort of Russian.
Do tell.
Well, he's talking fast.
Yeah,
Yeah?
it's sometimes it gets like this. That's not Russian?
Probably
I
No.
love
not.
it.
Well, I mean,
We'll give it time. I'd have to warm it up a little.
Yeah.
It's like a car.
It's a later in the day. Yes.
It's not nighttime yet, right?
No.
It's nighttime on the eastern coast.
Maybe.
Sort of. It's dark.
The one thing about being here in Las Vegas at the convention center is like it could be any time of day. Time stands still here.
Unless you're sitting, because this feels great.
I
This is phenomenal.
It's so good.
Can this interview last just for like an hour, just so I can sit for a while? Because
Well,
I'm
and
fine
there's-
with that.
There's beer over there.
2 hours. I'm not doing anything. the
Yeah, we
rest
could
of the
rip some
day.
beers. I'll forget everything that I'm not even thinking about anyway. So what's going on your show, Stonehouse Revival, Jeff Devlin?
We just started filming about 3-4 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Very excited. A lot of fun. I don't have to travel, so that's awesome. I get to be
this is,
home.
near your house.
It's within an hour of my house, and it's really what I love to do. I live in an old 250-year-old farmhouse. See, I get so excited, I got to get it all quick.
Oh, yes.
No, I'm very blessed to continue what I do, and I'm even more blessed to do what I love. So I'm happier than a pig in mud, and I still get to continue with Ellen's Design Challenge, which just aired the other day, and you guys better freaking root for me.
Have you guys seen that show?
Jeff,
Are you familiar with the Ellen character?
The Ellen character?
Yeah. I think she's
a real person?
I'm
She
not
could have you
I'm not
killed just by
sure.
saying that,
I
just
know,
so we're clear.
really. Like somebody's coming here right now.
I bet there are several Ellens. She does so much
Yes.
that there's probably 2 or 3.
Yeah.
Clones? That's
Pro-
impressive.
You know what I'm saying?
But that show is really, really fun. It airs on Monday nights, and
Yes.
so every week somebody wins and somebody...
Somebody loses. Then I don't want to be there when somebody loses. Because you know what? The hardest part about it is when you get to meet all of the other carpenters. And even like an event like this, like the fact that Kayleen and I get to hang out, Jason Cameron, Matt Minster, Damon Bennett, David Scheinkoff, all of these guys, and Chip Wade, like to be in the same room and hang out. Like we were walking down, we're in K-Biz now, right? So we're walking down, I'm walking with Steve Fanuca, and we're just a crowd of people. And I've never had so much fun in my entire life. Just walking around, just looking at stuff and engaging, it's a blast. It's absolutely a blast.
It's the best summer camp ever. Yeah.
Well, and the thing is
But
too.
I'm a nerd, so it's all right. Yeah.
It's
You-
a total
you're-
nerd camp for tool and building people.
Yes.
But you're looking at it in a different kind of perspective because not only are you contractors, but you're also TV contractors. So that takes the whole, how long does it take? What's the timing? What's the schedule? Because it's always in a short amount of time. The budget's always not that great. And the orchestration of it. So not only are you working for a client, but you're working for many clients, the producers, the homeowners, and so having like-minded people with the same kinds of challenges, it must be so fun.
This is fun. Yeah. Yeah.
So Kayleen McCabe, you did how many billions of episodes of Renovation Realities on?
Almost 100.
Who is the least happy? I don't care about the most happy and everybody's
The least happy?
Who was the most mad at you?
How could
put
anyone
off?
not like Kayleen McCabe?
You know what? Right.
Like, really?
Are we
Like,
interested
it's
in the
impossible.
underbelly of humanity here? I think
Everybody
we are.
loves
Yes.
every
Sir.
episode.
Give
It's
him
television.
$20, please.
Right.
But take it out of your own expense account. Thanks.
We didn't ever really have any problems with the show. I had great producers, cast amazing families. We did a really intense project.
Wrong answer.
Sorry,
But keep going.
there's
Okay.
always drama in construction, no joke. I mean, I can think of the worst.
This isn't like true Hollywood stories or
Yeah, it
something.
is. Oh, yeah.
Let me make it real.
When did
Yeah.
you start taking meth and crash your Ferrari?
Yesterday.
It's Vegas.
It's
right?
booth
Whatever happens
7865. There's a guy behind it.
Right. Well, they are filming the Jason Bourne movie here. Are we
Which
all
is-
familiar with this?
Yeah.
Oh, are you kidding me?
You just
I'm
went-
walking around being like, where is he? Where is he?
Yeah, Matt Damon's here. He's doing an appearance behind us. No one's at
He's
it.
just blending into the wall, all Bourne style.
Oh,
That-
yeah.
that's how it happens.
Sneaking around. Yeah.
Yes.
That would be fun to be able to do that for reals.
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah, I'd take that one. I'll do that job.
I sometimes feel like I'm a spy, though, because I'm traveling so much. Then now I land, somebody picks me up. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know who I'm meeting. And I feel like a secret agent. Like, here's your ticket.
What are you doing? What are you working on?
Oh, my gosh. So
what?
okay.
Shh. Don't shh.
Okay. This is real. This is a real deal.
This is real.
Okay,
You
I'll-
got
I'll-
about a minute.
It's real, and I'll keep it short. So I'm partnering with Skills USA and NARI International, and I'm traveling to high schools all across the nation, telling our youth that you need to consider the trades as a viable option for a career, that college isn't necessarily the path that everyone needs to go down, and in construction you can have a great job without debt, and we are desperate for people in the trades.
So is it
Booyah!
wrong that I want to hug and kiss you for doing all of that?
It's intense. I'm also starting to shoot my own content that will be free to students and teachers. So 101 videos, doing that educational stuff. So that's my cue.
Awesome.
I feel like we're getting
Awesome.
kicked off the Emmys. Like, oh,
Let me
speech is
finish
over.
my speech.
Yeah. I'd like to
Can I
thank
get a
just
minute
wanna- I just
extension?
wanna thank everybody that
Jeez,
supported
Tim.
me.
All right, I'd like to thank Tim Williams. I'd like to thank
Thanks,
the
Tim.
producers. I'd like to thank that dude who wrote the movie. And I'd like to thank Jeff Devlin and my mom and my wife. And we got to go. This is what a break looks like. We're
Thank
at
you,
Home
Home
Advisor.
And
Advisor.
Kayleen McCabe.
Kayleen and Jeff,
Follow
them on
them
the
on
tweeters.
Twitter. We do.
Stay here. Don't go away.
Let it go, let it go. Can't